everyone and welcome to Beauty Me Bree. I'm Bree and today I will be completing this glamorous fall winter look for you that consists of burgundy and pink. You will also be learning how to do a cut crease, so stay tuned for the video. Did my eyebrows off camera. Now I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn as an eyeshadow base, and I'm going to set this with Dermablend setting powder. I'm now dragging a light brown in my outer crease as a transition color. For the transition color, I'm dragging a light burgundy from outer corner to inner corner. On top of that light burgundy, I'm taking a darker burgundy from the Naked Basic palette because the first shadow was just too light for me. Next, I'm going to create a cut crease using LA Pro Girls Concealer, and also I'm making sure to make like a sort of wingtip towards the end. On the edges of the cut crease, I'm going to apply a fuchsia pink. I'm going to also make sure to blend out any harsh lines in the cut crease, and you want to make this pink as heavy as possible. Also drag the fuchsia pink down towards your lash line to create a wing tip. I forgot to record this step, but below the fuchsia pink, I created another crease by using MAC Paint Pot in the color Soft Orchid. Then I blended out the harsh lines using the fuchsia pink as well to create a light pink shade. If you don't have Paint Pot, you can use a pale concealer. On top of the Paint Pot, I'm applying a light pink glittery shadow from the Urban Decay Moondust palette. This eye look, I'm adding Kiss lashes and 2 coats of mascara, and also I'm going to tight line under the lashes in my lower lash line. I'm going to start my main face, which you can check out my last video for more details. To make this look pop, I'm creating an ombre lip by outlining in Ruby Kisses lip liner in the color Burgundy Wine and filling in using Ruby Kisses Forever Matte liquid lipstick named Angel Wings, which is a nude pink.
Shut it down, had it hype up in the six. If she dead, let her lay, won't bring no life into this bitch. Again, this girl should be a sin. You should call me Cinnamon. Cardi B, bad bitch. Those is fucking synonyms. We see who winning. We see who got it. You see I'm still in the bank making deposits. You see who switched up sides and who was solid. You see who stuck to the code and who forgot it. Talk about it, bitch.
Video suggestions. Tell me what you think about this look and tell me how you like my channel so far. Also subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also share with your friends and family. Other than that, thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.